In previous video, we learned about deep link and we saw how to implement deep link with React Native and React Navigation version 5. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to use deep link with the notifications. For example, there is a use case when we receive deep link URL in the notification data, and when user click on that notification, user should directly land to the specific part of the app instead of home page. We can use deep link for this. As you can see on my screen, I have already built a page for local push notifications. I have created 4 type of notifications using local notification in React Native. What these 4 buttons do: clicking upon schedule notification without deep link, it will schedule a notification with delay of 1 second and it will display a notification. And yes, it is displaying scheduled notifications without deep link. When I click on this, it does nothing. When I click on send notification deep link to profile, it sends notification. When I click on this, it should directly land me to the profile page of my screen that we are going to build in a few minutes. Same for send notifications deep link to settings. When I click on this notification, it should directly land to the settings. And similar to this, when I click on this notification, it should land me to the notification screen of the app. I am using same application from the last video which was about deep link, and I have created one extra screen called push notification screens to send local push notifications. Okay, let's not waste the time and start coding. On the first button, schedule notification without deep link, it should show deep notification without deep link, so it's working as expected. On the second button, send notifications deep link to profile, when I click on the notifications, it should land me to the profile screen. If I go to send profile notification function, here we have title, deep link to the profile, and deep link for the profile with the profile ID. So I'll just remove this alert body and put my deep link URL to profile with some profile ID. I'm saying 1000. When I save this, my app refresh itself. If now I click on send notification deep link to profile, it shows my deep link URL here. But nothing happens when I click on these notifications. Let me modify all buttons with a deep link. Third button in my app is send notification deep link to settings. I have to add deep link to setting as body of the notification. As you remember, deep link URL from last video was demo app / settings for setting screens, demo app profile and profile ID for profile screen. Our fourth button is add notification request deep link to notification screen. If you remember from last video, deep link URL for notification was demo / app / notifications. If I click on any button of this, it will show notification with the deep link URL. Same with settings and same with notifications, as you can see on my screen, right? But when I click on this notification, it doesn't land me to anywhere. Why? Because I have to handle on click of the notification. I have created two methods for handling click of notification. There can be two type of notification. One is remote notification, another one is local notification. For now, we are going to use only local notification because we are sending local notifications. If you have remote notification and you are getting remote notification, you have to handle in this method. Handle remote notification, click here. So I'm going to handle my local notifications here. I will have to import linking from React Native so that I can open deep link URL received from the notification. Body of the notification, what we are sending, we receive in message of the notifications. So when we type linking open URL notifications.get message, it should open that link what we are sending in body, because this link is deep link for our app. So when we click on notification, it should directly land to the respective screens. Save it and let's try. When I click schedule a notification without deep link, it will show a notification, and when I click on this, it's not landing me anywhere, and that is expected. When I click send notification deep link to profile and I click on this notification, it is landing me to a profile with the received ID, and that's working perfectly. If now I click on send notification deep link to settings and I click on notification, it is landing me to the setting page and it's working perfectly. And we are testing now for notification. If I click on notification, it is landing me to the notification screen. To make sure it is receiving everything correctly, let me change profile ID so that we can display it on the profile screen. Earlier I was passing 1000, now I will pass 12. Save application, refresh application, click on send notification deep link to profile, click on notification, and it is opening my profile screen with the deep link ID 12. That's pretty much I wanted to discuss with you in this video. If you find this video useful, please like it and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any update from my channel. Thank you.